Welcome back to the channel. This is Greg. I'm here with my brother Jeff today, guys, and we're exploring uncharted waters. We just come across a beautiful place, guys. All right, stick with us, guys. This is gonna be good. I didn't do a good one, dude. Yeah, we got a good one. Don't you dare come off. Don't you dare come off. I need to land one of you guys this morning. Boy, he's pissed. That's not bad. What 12-incher looks like. Looks like he's played victim to somebody else too, man. All right, there we go, guys. First one, about 12-incher. He was swimming at me, dude. Getting you some airtime there, buddy. Another one, guys. Ooh, got him right in the tongue. Poor little guy. All right, whoa, little bitty guy here, folks. Whew, he's mad at me too. All right, guys, this is what I'm using right here. I've got a TRD crawl. I believe it's Drew's crawl, and I'm running it on a I think a 1/16 Ned rig head. Oh, dude, big old snapper. He's right underneath these rocks right here. All right, guys, we have walked quite the distance, but we have come up on quite the hole. All right, we've got about 4 fish we've caught now so far, like 3 smallmouth and a rock bass. I think we're gonna get a giant right here, guys. We've seen some big ones swimming by. But I think we finally found the hole, guys. All right, we'll get back at you. I ain't no fool. I know there's good smallmouth in here. Oh, I had one. Still got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a real good one, dude. We got a good fish here, guys. Putting up quite the fight anyways, whether he's as big as he's fighting. Fat, looks like. Some shoulders on him. Alright, guys, another, it's like about 10-incher. Now, he had a lot of fight and a lot of heart. Alright, buddy, back in there. And did he initially pick that up, man, and then ran it right at me. There, he hit it as soon as it hit the water. Little one this time. Spotted bass. There we go, guys. It's not even a spot, it's a largie. Largemouth bass, guys. It's cool. Go on in there, buddy. Oh, oh, you got a giant. Nah, it's a fighter though, dude. Oh, that's all right. We got him on film. That's just the same as catching him, right? There's got to be a big smallmouth in here somewhere. Couldn't believe that largemouth did hit like right as soon as that hit the water over there. Look again, dude. There's something over there. There's probably a lot of somethings over there. Ooh, what you got?
That's fish. That's a decent fish there. Yeah, that's decent fish. That's decent.
Smallie. Nice smallie.
Better hook this time. There you guys go on the rooster tail. Nice little smallmouth fishing this morning with my brother.
Yeah, you know ain't nobody been back there fishing in a while. Got him that time. The rock bass down in there. I knew somebody hit. Guys, got a little rock bass out here by the bridge wall. Ooh, later, dude. All right, guys, nice lick right there. Was able to pop us a few smallmouth and I think a little rock bass. All right, guys, we're gonna march on forward. We got another nice hole coming up in here. We'll see what we can catch, guys. Yeah, you got one up there, Smallie. Awesome. He's got some fight in him. Oh, good Lord, it looks so good. That's a nice guy. All right, guys, we have made it to our destination, and I tell you, folks, it looks absolutely beautiful. I think we're about to hook into some big ones. I like to sit and talk, guys, but I got to get to fishing. Oh my God, look at this waist, dude. This is just insane how big this is right here. This is it right here, though. This is where we're gonna find the big one. There's gonna be a giant down this stretch somewhere. Yeah, that's what really looks good to me. That looks really good to me. Oh, look, right there, right there. Got some nice ones sitting up there, dude. I see them. They're like in the middle over here. I just spooked a big one off there. Look at that, dude. Look where I just spooked off. Which one's got it? Which one's got it? One of them's got it. That one's got it. Oh, dude, he broke me off.
He broke you off?
That totally came undone.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. Oh, man. Yeah, he's taking that one home with him. Yeah, he's a 14, 15 incher. They were all sitting up on that back corner over there. He had it too, man. He swallowed that down. Yeah. I was watching him pull my line. I couldn't tell which one had it. I see my line going right and all three of the bass going right. I was like, oh, somebody's got it. Ah, man. 3 left. These crawls are fire, dude. Man, dude, he put so much force into it, though. You see him take off? Had my drag too tight, I think. All right, guys. Lost my nicest one of the morning. Had a decent 14, maybe 15 incher. Looks like my knot broke, but I mean, I've already caught 4 or 5 smallmouth today. So I know my knot didn't just come undone. Thinking, my brother was thinking too, that all the rocks we've been running up against with our line, maybe my line got weakened and it broke me off. I should have retied sooner. And as soon as that fish hit into overdrive, man, he just broke me off. Pulled the drag for maybe 3 seconds and pop. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on moving. See if we can't find one of these giants in here. yeah. He's bringing the fight, ain't he? Yeah, there he is. Oh, that's a good smaller. Yeah, he is. He's pretty good, dude. He's about 13, 14 inches. He's bigger than you think.
He's definitely cool.
Dude, me too. You got a nice one, dude. It's the money shot right there, dude. Yeah, you got 2.5 pounder there, dude. Dude, that is a creek tank right there, man. Oh no! Oh no! I nosed him. Yeah, it is. Dude, that's awesome, guys. We doubled up. Jeff got an absolute creek tank. Oh, dude, look at this one. Look at this one. It's a big one right there. I'm gonna get out and go straight across this way so I can cast that way. Yeah, he came right out from underneath this and just whoop, nice and easily. Good genes on that fish, dude. There we go. Yeah. Good one. Yeah, finally got my good one too. Oh shit, dude, he got me in the bushes. Right there, guys.
Nice fish.
Donkey. Finally got mine.
That's probably solid too there. I bet mine was over 2 then.
Yeah, dude, because that's a beast right there. That's a beast of a smallie. Oh my God, guys, I'm having so much fun out here. Three smallies, guys, with your big bro. Tell me there's anything better in life than that right there. Oh, hey. Right out of nowhere, dude. He came right out from that rock right in front of you. Old bronze backy. Come here, buddy. They are all over the place in here, guys. We've got another one. Yeah, you know, deep over there. There we go. Nothing even wanted to mess with it. Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh, we ran into that tree. Yeah, a little better. A little better. I bet that other side of the tree over there has got the big one. Another one, guys. I wonder if we can get the big one out of there. See you later, little buddy. They're here.
He got it. He got it. It's a good one, Greg. That's a good fish.
Good fish, dude. Yeah, he's fat, dude. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful tiger stripe smallie, dude. You got to get him landed. Oh, man.
I seen him come waking.
Oh, dude, I got one there. Oh, it's a good one. I got a good one, dude. Oh, I want to get some shots of yours as well. Oh, he come off. a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. You see him just come flying out there and hit that dude. They are absolutely vicious, guys.
I seen if I can swipe it sideways.
They drop fine. Yeah, I was just trying to skip it, hurry up and get it over that rock, dude. And he was like, nope, that's my food. Oh, we got one. Little guy again. Yeah, that's really thin water right there. I know it is. So yeah, this is as far as we need to go. We keep going, we're gonna end up where we started the last video at. But we can hit this little bit of section right here though, for sure. Yeah, little chunky. Come here, buddy. I finally lost a crawl, guys. Right there. This is like, I don't know, maybe number 20 for the day, guys. This has been absolutely ridiculous. All right, guys, that wraps it up. We went like an extra mile further than I thought we were going to do, but the fishing was so good, guys. All right, today, guys, we used TRD Z-Man on a Ned rig, and we used original rooster tail. Smallmouth, guys, were absolutely loving it. Some of them, they didn't want nothing to do with it. This was a great time, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, guys, go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, guys, we had a great time. See you guys on the next adventure. Thought he was bigger than that. He's got a lot of fight, though. They're mean in here, dude. I'll tell you what, come on, dude, just chill. All right, guys, I don't know if you can really see it too clear behind me, but we found this cave right here, guys. It's definitely too small for a person to get inside there, but a coyote, raccoon, beavers, anything along that lines, dude, could get up in there. It really goes for a long ways. That's pretty cool, guys.